Hi guys, welcome back to another lesson. So today I'm going to show you 3 of the most common chord progressions that everybody should know. Each one of these progressions can be heard in a huge amount of songs, which are mostly pop, blues and rock. So just to make sure we're all on the same page, let's go over a tiny bit of theory very quickly. To construct a chord progression, we take any combination of chords which are built from a scale. So a major scale consists of 7 notes, and each note has a chord built from it. The sequence of chords is as follows: major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, and diminished. We can give each one a number from 1 to 7. And the thing to remember is that this sequence of chords is the same in any major scale. So use this as your reference to knowing what chords to use when given the Roman numeral. So let's get straight into it. Number 1 is the 1-4-5 progression. To construct this, we just take a major scale. So let's use C major as an example. And we need to take the chords 1, 4 and 5 from this scale. So if you need to, use that little bit of theory we talked about at the beginning to help you work out what the chords are. But the first chord, which is chord 1, is going to be a C major. Chord 4 is an F major. And then chord 5 gives us G major. So in the key of C, the 1-4-5 progression would be C major, F major, and G major. This chord progression can be heard in loads of well-known songs, such as the Beatles' Twist and Shout and Wild Thing by the Troggs. Once you learn and understand the relationship between these chords, you will start to hear it everywhere. Moving on to number 2, we have the 1-5-6-4 progression. And this is probably the most common chord progression of all time, and it is in hundreds of songs. I have another video that goes into more detail with this chord progression, and I just really break it down and show how it's constructed. There should be a link at the top of this video if you want to go and check it out. So I won't spend too long on this one, but if we were in the key of C, the chords would be C major, G major, A minor, and F major. And this chord progression can be heard in such songs as Let It Be by the Beatles, and also Bob Marley's No Woman No Cry. So finally, number 3. This is the 1-6-2-5 progression. So staying in the key of C, just to keep it nice and simple, chord 1 would be C major. Chord 6 would be A minor. Chord 2 would be D minor. And finally, chord 5 would be G major. So altogether we have C major, A minor, D minor, and G major. Some popular songs that use this chord progression are John Mayer's Back to You, and also You Are Not Alone by Michael Jackson. So once you've got all of these progressions under your fingers, you will be able to play a huge majority of pop, blues and rock songs. However, many of the well-known songs that use these chords will be in a different key to C major, so I recommend practicing them in a few other keys as well. This is also great practice for yourself, and it will prevent you from getting bored of just playing the same thing over and over in the same key. Some other common keys that would be good to practice these in would be E, F and G. So I hope you found this useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box below, and I'll get straight back to you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.